Hello?
Whenever.
Alright. Aero Dev. Office. Beach. Don't get stuck. Alright. Building. Coffee. It's not free. It's overpriced. Yeah. Are you rolling? Here's the hallway. That's not our office. We can speed up this part. But we have to go all the way over there. This is Gaspar. Wave again. Students. They're trapped. Office. Their life away when they joined. Shooting out of the bathroom. It's an inclusive bathroom. It's really just the handicap bathroom. This is the bathroom. You can see some hippies over there. Is that offensive to say?
Where are they?
Over there. It says I love Portland. Should we just go like to the club? Let's go to the club. Word. Patronizing. We're going to the club. 4th floor club. I understand here. Like red light work and orange lamp that I want to steal. Rooftop. Here's one side. Everybody's staring at us. Show them the view. Nice. Sorry, her sign says don't eat alone and she's literally eating alone. Tables. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.